Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to make RB logo. So let's start. First I write RB in capital like this, and we need to increase its size with 85 pt. I think it's pretty good. And we need to align RB, and first we choose font like Montserrat, like Cinzel, like Gotham. I think we should use Gotham Black. It's very nice. Yes. And again, align. Okay. And first, we need to create outlines for create logo and control spacebar and right click to zoom in. Okay, like this. And spacebar to move. Spacebar and mouse without any click to move the page. Okay, like this. We should ungroup like this, and outside click like this. Okay, and we should click R, and I think we should like this. It's basically good because we need to. I think we should object. Sorry, should object path, offset path, and 3 pt is enough for offset. Not 4 pt is enough for offset path. Okay, like this. And without any further click, without any unnecessary click in outside, basically we should not to click. We should not no click for unnecessary for we should not wo- we should not try we should not click outside. Okay, so shift and right click to both selection, shift and right click to both selection. Okay, and where is our pathfinder, like where is pathfinder, where is pathfinder, like where is pathfinder. Yeah, shift. If pathfinder shortcut key is shift plus control plus F9. Okay, where is pathfinder? Shift plus control plus F9. Where is? Yes, F9. Where is? Where is offset? Should cut unnecessary. Oh, and window pathfinder and object path offset path and 4pt. Okay, and shift and right click for cut, for to cut letter. like this. I think we should this and object path, offset path, okay, and shift and right click and minus friend like this, okay. Okay, and we need to cut be like this. First I draw a rectangle with only mouse without any drag, okay, like this. And okay, and shift and right click too and cut it, sorry, like this. We should cut like this. We should cut B like this and remove it. Oh, sorry. We should increase the size of like and shift and right click, control that. Oh, it's not looking B. I think we should and shift and right click and control minus front. Sorry, it's not looking B. It's looking odd. Should cut B like this, I think, and minus front. Oh, no, it's not looking. We should be cut B with like diagonal like this and shift and right click and minus la not sorry, not exactly the same way, and shift and right click and control and shift and right click. Oh, sorry, shift and right click and con- minus front. Yes, so I hope control G and pick up the color switches and red and control 0, control G and increase its size like this. And we should, seems like different way, I think we should no should oh Control G, and a mirror is align. Align, 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 align. Where is align, align? And I hope you guys like my video. Then do subscribe. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.